Hello everyone, I'm Kesha, welcome to my channel. And if you're already a subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. So today, obviously you can see from the title, I'm going to be testing out Poundland makeup. Now I thought this would be really interesting because I actually haven't seen many ethnic people trying out Poundland makeup. So I was really intrigued to see what it would look like on me and if it actually is any good. Because if it is, guys, I'm going to be saving you a lot of money. So before you do anything, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I upload every week, Thursdays and Sundays. So why not just join the fam? For those who aren't from the UK that might be watching this video and you're wondering what the hell is Poundland? It's like a dollar store. Everything is a pound. So for them to have a makeup range is just, honestly, it just completely blows my mind. So this week I went to Poundland to get the makeup and this is what happened. So I'm just with my dad and today we're going to
Poundland. Wow.
Poundland! When I get there, I'm going to be showing you around and let's hope, fingers crossed, we're going to get some good buys. Fingers crossed. So here we are, we're at Poundland. Let's go get those bargains. All right, take it away, Dad. He's a man on a mission. All right, now we're talking, So, the pressed powder, there are no darker shades. There's literally just these. So, I'm gonna have to go for a bronzer to find my shade, probably, with this one. Put those in there. And then they've got this gorgeous, flawless, lasting foundation. How much do you want to guess if we can find our shade? What bet do you want to put on this, Dad?
Yeah, well, we'll just get a good selection.
Actually,
yeah, that looks a bit dark, maybe.
Warm cocoa. Well, beggars can't be choosers, eh? What's this? Natural coverage concealer.
Ah.
But it doesn't have a colour on there.
Well, it's natural, so what does natural mean?
I'll get some tea tree cleansing wax because, you know, it's good for the skin. I'm not even going to get into the skincare situation.
And you use these things?
The sponges.
Yeah, how much do you normally pay for them?
Oh my gosh. Like, beauty blenders are like £30 or something.
For one?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I know. Lashes. I picked up these ones. They look good. Where did that come from?
Oh, they look nice.
They're really big. All in all, to review the shop experience, I would say it was quite good. I didn't actually find it hard to find my shades at all, as you saw with the foundation. Quite limited. They don't have everything, but then again, it is Poundland, so what do you expect? So now we're going to go pay for the stuff, and then we're going to be trying it on. Woo! Oh. Let's hope the makeup is better than the bags. So, as you can see, I've got my eyebrows done. I actually couldn't find anything remotely for brows, so I just left my brows on. One thing I did get, which you saw from the video, were these tea tree face wipes. Now, I didn't think you could go wrong on a face wipe, but it literally took me about 4 of these to get my makeup off. So for face wipes, I probably wouldn't recommend getting them from Poundland. So I'm just going to go straight in with the foundation because I'm really intrigued about the foundation. I think this is the thing that I'm probably most excited to try and see if it actually works. I got this Makeup Gallery foundation brush. So I've got this blender sponge, which I've already wet. And then I got these 2 foundations. The gorgeous, flawless foundation. I'll be the judge of that. I got it in Golden Sand and Warm Cocoa. Probably going to end up mixing those together. So let's go on with the foundation, shall we? Definitely going to mix that. I mean, it's very liquidy. Like, it's spreading really quickly, which I don't know if that's a good thing or not. I'm gonna get my beauty blender here. Okay, well, something's happening. Something is happening. So I'm gonna go in with another coat. Whoa. Okay, one thing I will say is that this does spread a lot, so I'm guessing that's a good thing. Okay, I don't know if you can actually see this on the camera, but I don't know what is actually happening around this area. It's like it is breaking apart a little bit, just a tad. I can definitely see the difference here. It's not too bad, right? Like I'd pay £1 for a bit of coverage. I did find that a bit hard to blend. I'm going to do the same on the other side, and then once it's all on my face, then maybe I can judge it a bit better. So this is the foundation. I've put a lot on and it's just not giving me full coverage. If you're not someone that's really that bothered about having that really thick makeup and full coverage foundation, then to be honest, it's not too bad. Like my only criticism would probably be obviously the coverage and the fact that I definitely didn't see any darker shades. So shade range is not the greatest, but you know what? It's not the worst thing I've ever put on my face, let's be honest. There is some coverage, I can see a difference. So let's move on to the concealer, right? It's called Hide and Chic. Oh my God. Let's hope that this concealer is gonna give me everything I need. Come on, come on. Okay, so I'm not a big fan of the applicator because like rolling it on is literally just taking off my foundation. Colour does look good, so I actually went for warm beige. I'm gonna use that same brush
to just blend it in.
Now with the concealer, I feel like I'm seeing a lot more coverage. Obviously I haven't set my makeup at all yet, so there actually wasn't a translucent powder or setting powder. I'm not sure if they do one, and maybe it was just out of stock. But I'm going to be using, because I don't want to make this experiment unfair and then use like a really expensive translucent powder or something. So I'm literally just going to be using Johnson's baby powder, which I'm pretty sure you can get in Poundland. So okay, so makeup is actually starting to look relatively decent, not bad. So I actually ended up getting 2 Good to Glow matte bronzers. So I got them in 2 different shades. One is a medium 2 and one is a light 1. Just because there were literally no face powders in my shade at all. That was one thing that it was just not giving me like any kind of shade range. A bronzer for my foundation powder, and then I'm going to be using another bronzer for a bronzer. Okay, so I just put the powder on this side. I don't know if you can tell, but it's really kind of brought the makeup all together. Obviously this side looks a bit lighter, a bit paler, and I feel like with this one, it's just kind of tied it all in. Make do with what we've got, eh? Okay, that is giving me bronzing vibes. Not bad. It's actually getting darker, like the more I put on, so. Oh, Poundland. I'm not gonna, you know, I've still got the eyes to go, but quite impressed. Okay, so then I got the Feeling blush in Coral Rose, which was number 4. Oh. Oh. And yeah, I really, really don't mind this brush at all. Okay, I'll probably put way too much blusher on, but you know what? Whatever. Who's gonna kill me, eh? Okay, cool. So now we need to go on to the eyes. I'm gonna put the blusher all over my lid. No, it's coming out. When you get there, you know, we do get there eventually. Not bad, right? Cute. Oh, this is turning into really like pinky kind of look. I'm really feeling that. All that dry shimmer now. Oh, this is not what I expected. Oh, a bit hard if you're trying to keep it neat, like, do you know what I mean? God, you don't make it easy, do you, Poundland? Then again, Isn't that such a pretty colour? Quite handy having a roller glitter thing. It just goes directly onto your lid. You don't have to faff around. So when it came to eyeliner, I could only find a pencil liner called Call Me Beautiful. Call me. I do like to have a bit of liner on my lash line, especially if I'm going to be putting on lashes. Now they don't look bad at all, but then I also found these Just Right Beauty lashes, which obviously you can see are a lot bigger. So I'm probably going to go for these. I mean, it's on. Do you know what, guys? On, it actually looks a lot nicer, doesn't it, than in the packet? Like in the packet, I was like, what the hell? But on, I think it actually looks really nice. I mean, Poundland. Whoa. Intense Colour Shine Lip Gloss. Whoa. That's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. I mean, whoa. This is Poundland we're talking about. We are talking about £10. I mean, is it just me? I mean, look at it. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Dad. I literally just finished putting the Poundland makeup on.
Right.
And it was really good.
Oh.
Yeah. And I only used 10 of the products. It's like £10 and it looks so nice.
Really?
Yeah. I'm a big fan of products that look after your skin. So I like to use Clinique foundation. I like to use primers that are enriched with natural ingredients. I mean, the foundation does say enriched with vitamin E, but I'm not sure how you can make a good kind of foundation for the skin and sell it for £1. Like, I don't know who is getting slave labored in Poundland factories around the world, but I just don't understand, because honestly I thought it was going to be an absolute sham, and I feel like it's just come out really nicely. I would give it a strong 7, only because I know, like with the concealer and the foundation, I know that there's better coverage out there. Really happy with the blusher, really happy with the bronzer. The lashes are good, they were just a bit hard to put on. And I really like the that eyeshadow roller thing. It actually really worked. I also wanted to shout out Camellia K for watching, for commenting on loads of my videos. I see you, girl, always supporting out there, and thank you so much for all of your support. It does not go unnoticed. So yeah, guys, that is my Poundland makeup for you. Don't know what to say. All I can say really is that I'm really impressed, and I actually really liked the way that it came out. So if you do too, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.